everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. Well, back in September 2017 I posted this picture, and then in January I posted this picture of myself wearing the hat. Now a lot of people didn't know that the hat actually came separate and this was my hair, and they wanted to know where they could buy the hat with the hair. Well, I don't know where you can buy it, but I've created a solution for you guys. I have created the ponytail hat, and if you want to see how I do it, keep watching. For this, you will need a cap, preferably a dark colored cap, scissors, and glue gun. Now, I chose this hair, but you can actually pick curly hair or whatever type of hair you want the hat to have. Now, I wanted the curly looking hairs, but I couldn't find one. So what I did was that I just took my flexi rod and I wrapped the hair around my flexi rod. When that was all done, I now took the hair and I soaked it in some hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, give or take. Then I let the hair dry for about a day, and after that, this was what was the result. Then I started unraveling the hair, and as I unraveled it, it gave a very, very beautiful coil pattern that I wanted it to have. Now let's start making the cap. Now I chose pink so that you guys can see what I'm doing easily, but preferably you'll want to have like a black hat or a dark colored hat. So this part where I'm cutting part of the hat, you don't have to do that. I was just playing around and I decided to cut a little part of it. But if you do cut it, this is what you're gonna have to do. Once you've cut it, you want to get your hair and measure the length of hair that you want on each row. So we're gonna create like a row of hair to cover up that back section. Next, what you do is, after cutting the hair according to the length you want to take the hat and then you want to flip it over. So once you flipped it over, you want to take your glue gun and you are going to start gluing the hair onto that section. So let's grab the glue gun here and just start gluing away. Be careful, it's hot. So now if you have excess hair after gluing it, just cut off that hair and let's flip the hair into the strap that I cut off, and then we'll just pull all that hair out of there. So the next thing you want to do is you just want to go row by row and start gluing the hair onto the cap. Once again, if you want the cap to be pink, what you do is you can get a black spray bottle or something like black paint and spray the section that the hair lays on. So for example, what I'm going to do when I'm done with this video is I will be spraying that part so that you don't see the pink showing through the hair. You can also put much more hair to make it look a bit more fuller, and also you can separate the hair extensions to make it look more fuller. Then you don't have to spray it and you'll be good to go. So the next thing I will be doing is I'll be putting the satin lining, because you know when you wear hats and stuff like that, they rub on your edges and of course they can pull out your hair, dry out your hair. So you just want to take any bonnet, satin bonnet you have, and just glue that lightly, well, not lightly, you just really want to glue it onto the inside of the cap. Now if your cap have a snap back, what you want to do is you want to make sure you don't glue that snapback section into the bonnet and press it really hard, and that is it. This is how you create that ponytail hat. This is the hat that I was talking about, and you see how it has a gap in it, and this is the one that I just made. And if you did want to create a hat like this, all you have to do is just cut off that part that I did. But this is what it's gonna look like. Let's wear it, and you're gonna just wear it as if you're wearing a wig. So once you've put it on like that, and you can see it's very snug, so you just put it on like that. For the back strap, you just want to adjust it the way that you normally adjust your straps. I really enjoyed making this cap. It took me 30 minutes to make. Of course, this was my first time making it, so it would have taken shorter time. And I like that I can also take it, and I can even, if I want to, I could put it into a ponytail, you know, just kind of wear it and wear ponytail onto it like that, and I can just rock it like that with anybody, not anybody knowing. So this is it. If you guys are gonna do this, let me know. Give me a comment, thumbs up, let me know. I would love to know. I'm really loving this, honestly. I think I'm gonna make different colors, and the girls also want one, so of course we will. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, share, and comment, and let us know. Join us on our live chat Discovery Natural live stream channel every Sundays at 3 p.m. Central Time, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.